Day 3 on the Disney Magic. Last day on the ship, so that means Mickey Churro Waffles. We then decided to go walk around the ship and enjoy all the beautiful details. Then we went to Soul Cat Lounge for trivia. Next up was Palo Brunch. The food was amazing. Tomato soup, celery soup, pizza, eggs Benedict, chicken parm. We enjoyed the rest of the day just chilling at the pool deck. Then some more live music. Dinner was at Lumiere's. Here's a look at our food. Then it was time to say goodbye to our favorite characters. Then we enjoyed more live music to end the night. And that's a wrap on our Disney Magic vacation.